don't fly. Daddy's gonna blind his remaining eye. Sweet dreams, little one.
Lucky pumpkin. Must be nice to have a loving father. Whew. Okay, here we go. You can do this, Roger. Yay! Kidnapping! Look, I'm sorry. It's not me. I would never do something like this. It's my father. He's crazy.
I can't believe he pulled it off. Way to go, dum-dum!
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Whatever. I could have done the same thing.
Oh. Well, well. Looks like you're not stopping that asteroid now, are you, Weasel?
Huh?
That's not the Weasel. That's... I don't know what that is.
Whoa. Is it my time, Angel?
Time for what?
I'm coming to the light. Can't wait to see all those dead relatives I hate. Woo! Get it off, get it off, get it off!
Go help your sister!
But Dad...
Ah! Demon Angel! Yeah!
Oh!
Ah! Mess with Granny, get knocked on your fanny. Ah!
And that's how it's done.
Hello? Angel? Am I in heaven? It's so dark and squishy in here.
Huh?
Oh no! I can still see the light! Yeah!
Pa! I'll save you! Hello!
Oh well, probably for the best.
Yeah, probably.
Definitely.